Hi, my name is Dante Orsini. I'm the Chief Strategy Officer at 1111 Systems. If I look at our relationship with Veeam, it actually started way back in 2009, and Veeam by far is our most strategic partner that we have. We go to market together, we share the same partner community. I think what's been very interesting is that very early on we started to leverage Veeam technology to solve a challenge for our customer base, right? To protect our infrastructure as a service infrastructure around the world. And that slowly evolved into being able to provide disaster recovery as a service. And I think it was really unique because Veeam approached us and said, hey, we see an opportunity to make it very easy to help our customers get a copy of their data off-site for all sorts of reasons. Best practice, ransomware mitigation, and we want to work with cloud service providers to develop this. So we embraced that, and together we started to co-develop a lot of solutions. And what's very unique about our relationship is we've always built our own platform, right? That's what's unique about what we've done at 1111 Systems. And we're very focused on integrating both connectivity, security, and cloud together. And I think Veeam's been around for the whole ride with us. And I think what's very interesting is as we bring things to market together, it's really impactful to have such a deep, dynamic relationship with the development team at Veeam, where they're taking our input, so we can help co-develop solutions that we know will drive value to the market, whether we're going to the market directly or through a mutual channel partner.